This budget-friendly hotel boasts stunning views all across the hotel. 17 floors with a rooftop bar. It definitely did not disappoint. Overlooking the Bosphorus with a good location to restaurants and local amenities, this hotel was definitely one for the books. Ensure that you watch till the end to find out what the name of the hotel. But check this out in Istanbul, Ataköy. Those views were just breathtaking. Staff were excellent. The room size was very decent. You had a bathtub and a shower in the bathroom, a working desk, and be sure to comment if you would consider staying at this hotel one day. Clean all around. A nice spacious bathroom is all you need, with a toilet. Customer service was top notch. My only downside would be that the English throughout the hotel wasn't the best. Let me know in the comment section if you will one day be visiting the Hyatt Regency Ataköy.